best ways to treat stomachache or any stomach problems is to take Pepto-Bismol. Pepto-Bismol is mostly made of bismuth and a few other elements. 2/3 of the bismuth produced here in the United States is made into medicine. Bismuth has only caused one death, and that is because of medicine overdose. Someone must have taken a lot of Pepto-Bismol. Bismuth is a metalloid, which means it has some of the properties of metals, but not all of them. Bismuth's name comes from the German word weiße Masse, which means white mass or white substance. It is probably referring to the pure form of bismuth, which is usually white. The coolest thing about bismuth is the crystals that they can create. After a pure chunk of bismuth is heated to its melting point, which is 660 degrees Fahrenheit, it then cools and turns into a crystal. Naturally forms a spiral. Bismuth is twice as abundant as gold in Earth's crust, though it is still a relatively rare element. Bismuth, another thing bismuth is used in is cosmetics. Companies use bismuth oxychloride, which is a lustrous white powder that is often added to face powder to give it a gleam effect. Other compounds of bismuth are also added to cosmetics to give it a pearl-like luster. It's usually added to lipstick and nail polish. Alloys of bismuth are useful for many reasons. Bismuth and many of its alloys expand when they freeze. This allows the bismuth to fill all corners of a mold to form a perfectly sharp replica of whatever someone's trying to make. This is also a useful value when used in plumbing. Bismuth. Sometimes bismuth alloys have a really low melting point, sometimes even below the temperature of boiling water. Thus, a bismuth alloy casting can be covered by plastic or any other material to form an intricate machine part. The use of low melting bismuth alloys is widespread in sprinkler systems in buildings. When the alloy melts in fire-heated air, which then unplugs the sprinkler and water sprays the fire. Bismuth is non-toxic, and since in a lot of things lead is used in, it has replaced because it's non-toxic. Bismuth alloys are usually very malleable. Malleable means that the material can be hammered into thin sheets. Bismuth is a very unique element that can be used in many things, like cosmetics and medicine. It can also make crystals. I hope you enjoyed learning about my element.